Most people struggle with tools not because they lack skill, but because they're using the wrong ones. On AU Techverse, we've picked 10 coolest tools that can instantly upgrade how you work, saving time, effort, and frustration on every job. Watch till the end, because every tool you see here has its Amazon link ready in the description. And missing one could mean missing a serious upgrade to your toolkit. ATA Antivibration Die Grinder. Working on metal surfaces for extended periods can quickly lead to fatigue and reduced control. The ATA Antivibration Die Grinder is designed with a built-in dampening system that reduces vibration, allowing smoother handling during grinding or finishing tasks. Its lightweight body and ergonomic lever improve control, especially in detailed work. Whether you are smoothing edges or refining surfaces, it helps maintain precision. It's a reliable tool that keeps your work consistent while reducing strain on your hands. Milecraft Track Saw Square. Getting perfectly straight cuts with a circular saw can be difficult without a stable guide. The Milecraft Track Saw Square is designed to guide your saw along a rigid rail, helping you achieve clean, splinter-free cuts. Its all-metal construction reduces flex, while non-slip strips keep it steady during operation. It works with most circular saws and can be extended for longer cuts. It's a practical solution for improving cutting accuracy on large panels and sheet materials. O-School Pressure Panel Clamps. Gluing up wide panels can be frustrating when boards shift or warp under uneven pressure. The O-School Pressure Panel Clamps apply balanced force from multiple directions, helping keep panels flat and aligned during glue-ups. Instead of using several standard clamps, this system holds the entire panel securely in one setup. It works well for tabletops, cabinets, and larger assemblies. It's a practical solution that improves consistency and reduces setup time during panel work. Woodpecker Stable Max RT+. Routing small or detailed pieces can feel unstable when switching between handheld and table setups. The Woodpecker Stable Max RT Plus is designed to bridge that gap by allowing quick transitions between a handheld router base and a compact router table. Its stable platform and adjustable fence help maintain control during precise cuts. The folding design makes it easy to store when not in use. It's a versatile solution for achieving accurate routing in different working situations. Wagner Powerflow Easy Roller. Painting large walls can become slow and messy when you constantly reload a traditional roller. The Wagner Powerflow Easy Roller draws paint directly from a container and feeds it through the roller, allowing continuous application without stopping. The flow control helps maintain even coverage, reducing drips and uneven patches. It can connect to extension poles for higher areas, making ceilings easier to reach. It's a practical tool that speeds up painting while keeping the process cleaner and more consistent. Metabo Work Trestle Set. Working without a stable surface can affect both safety and accuracy, especially when handling heavy materials. The Metabo Work Trestle Set provides a strong, portable support system with steel construction and adjustable feet for uneven ground. You can connect two trestles to create a larger workstation, and it supports clamps or mounted tools when needed. The foldable design makes transport simple. It's a dependable setup that keeps your workspace stable and ready for demanding tasks. Celi Rechargeable Tire Inflator. A sudden drop in tire pressure can interrupt your workday, especially when you are on the move. The Celi Rechargeable Tire Inflator provides a compact solution with a digital pressure display for accurate readings. You can preset the desired pressure, and the unit automatically stops once it is reached. Its rechargeable design removes the need for constant power sources, and the built-in light helps in low visibility. It's a practical tool that keeps you prepared for quick, reliable inflation anytime. Woksen 41 PC's Bit and Socket Set. Handling different fasteners with mismatched tools can slow down even simple repairs. The Woksen 41 PC's Bit and Socket Set brings multiple socket sizes and driver bits into one compact kit, along with a quick change T-handle for faster switching. The variety covers common screw types and bolt sizes, making it useful for assembly, repairs, and maintenance tasks. Everything stays organized in one case. It's a practical set that keeps you ready for a wide range of everyday jobs. Clarke Brothers Wheel Marking Gauge. Accurate layout is what separates clean work from guesswork, especially when marking parallel lines for joinery. The Clarke Brothers wheel marking gauge uses a hardened wheel to score a fine, precise line instead of tearing wood fibers like a pin. Its adjustable body allows you to set exact distances with control. The scored line also guides your chisel more accurately. It's a reliable layout tool that directly improves precision in detailed woodworking tasks. Pocket Hole Jig 14 Pieces Kit. Joining wood pieces quickly without complex setups can save a lot of time during projects. The Pocket Hole Jig 14 Pieces Kit guides a stepped drill bit at the correct angle to create strong pocket hole joints. It includes drill guides, a stop collar, and a driver bit for consistent results. You can assemble frames, cabinets, or simple furniture with ease. It's a practical tool that makes strong, reliable joinery accessible even for beginners. Saker Contour Gauge 10-inch profile tool. Fitting materials around uneven surfaces can quickly turn into trial and error cutting. The Saker Contour Gauge captures the exact shape of irregular edges using sliding pins that conform to the surface. Once locked, the shape stays fixed while you transfer it onto your workpiece. This makes it easier to cut accurately on the first attempt. It's a practical tool that saves time and reduces material waste when working with complex shapes. KERYE Japanese Pole Saw 9.5-inch. When you need quick, clean cuts without setting up a power tool, control becomes essential. The KERYE Japanese Pole Saw uses a pull stroke design that keeps the blade in tension, allowing thinner, more precise cuts with less effort. Its double-sided blade offers both rip and crosscut teeth for versatility. The longer length supports smoother strokes for faster work. It's a reliable hand tool for accurate cutting across a wide range of everyday tasks. Adjustable Drill Milling Dowel Round Rod Tool. Sometimes your project calls for a specific dowel size or wood type that you simply cannot find ready-made. The Adjustable Drill Milling Dowel Round Rod Tool lets you create custom dowels by feeding square stock through a cutter while powered by a drill. You can adjust the diameter to match your exact requirement. This gives you more control over material and fit. It's a practical tool for creating precise, custom components when standard options are not enough. Saker 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Jig. Cutting straight grooves or accurate circles with a router usually requires multiple setups and careful measuring. The Saker 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Jig combines these functions into one adjustable guide, helping you control both direction and size during routing. It supports tasks like dados, slots, and circular cuts with better consistency. The rigid construction keeps the router stable throughout the process. It's a practical jig that expands your routing capabilities while maintaining accuracy. Saker Multi-Function Scribing Tool. Fitting cabinets or panels against uneven walls often leads to gaps that ruin the final finish. The Saker Multi-Function Scribing Tool helps you transfer the exact contour of a surface onto your workpiece by tracing along it. Its adjustable design allows you to match different gap widths, and it can also function as a marking gauge for layout tasks. It's a practical tool that simplifies complex fitting work and helps achieve tight, accurate results. Milescraft 1600 TriGrips. Applying finish to a project can be frustrating when the surface sticks to your bench or gets smudged. The Milescraft 1600 TriGrips lift your workpiece slightly, giving you access to edges while keeping it stable with non-slip pads. You can also flip them to use the pointed tips, which minimize contact on freshly coated surfaces. This helps finishes dry without marks. It's a simple but effective accessory that keeps your finishing process clean and controlled. 90-degree clamp. Keeping corners perfectly square during assembly can be difficult when pieces shift under pressure. The 90-degree clamp is designed to hold two workpieces at an exact right angle, allowing you to drill, screw, or glue without constant adjustments. Its solid build applies even pressure across the joint, helping maintain alignment. This makes it especially useful for frames, boxes, and cabinets. It's a practical tool that ensures clean, accurate corners with less effort. Newdeli Tongue and Groove Router Bit Set. Joining boards edge to edge can lead to misalignment if the connection is not precise. The Newdeli Tongue and Groove Router Bit Set creates matching profiles that lock boards together, improving alignment and increasing glue surface area. One bit cuts the groove while the other forms the tongue, ensuring a consistent fit. The carbide edges provide clean cuts and durability. It's a practical solution for building strong panels, tabletops, and cabinet components. Chamfer plane for wood. Sharp edges can make a project feel unfinished and are more likely to chip over time. The chamfer plane for wood is designed to create smooth, consistent edge profiles with controlled hand movement. Its adjustable cutting depth allows you to fine-tune the size of the chamfer, while interchangeable cutters offer different edge styles. The compact body improves handling on smaller pieces. It's a practical tool that adds a clean, professional finish to your woodworking projects. That brings us to the end of these essential tools that can truly upgrade how you work, whether you're handling repairs, woodworking, or everyday projects. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to AU Techverse for more practical tools and smart upgrades that make your work easier and more efficient.